Discover the TheraBox, your ultimate self-care companion designed to elevate your well-being. Each month, you'll receive a delightful surprise filled with wellness products curated by therapists to inspire joy and relaxation. Within every box, you'll find a variety of items, from skincare to aromatherapy, all aimed at nurturing your mind and body. Alongside these treasures, you'll also receive a happiness activity, helping you cultivate a positive mindset and encourage self-reflection. Perfect for anyone seeking a moment of tranquility in their busy lives, the TheraBox makes self-care accessible and enjoyable. Treat yourself or gift it to a loved one, showing them just how much they deserve some pampering and relaxation. Join the community of self-care enthusiasts who have embraced the transformative power of this thoughtfully curated box. Elevate your self-care routine today with TheraBox and start your journey to a happier, more balanced life.